This isn't where I parked my shop. Doing some remote work. We're out at Saul's shop working on Clyde. So if you're not familiar with this is a carbon fiber bump side. Super sick. Full Porterbuilt chassis, bunch of custom goodies added to it. It's got a GT500 swap in it. Ooh, supercharger. This thing's just gonna rip. So we got some titanium exhaust stuff going on, courtesy of Vibrant Performance. Already started mocking up some pieces. Gonna go ahead and burn these in. But this is the beginning of Clyde. You can see they got the bed over here. We got the center cut out. It's gonna tilt up, so we know we got to do a good job back here, because that's gonna be wide open. They got Snickers back over here. They started working on some other things. A lot of goodies going on. Doing the Skyjacker lift on it. Carbon tailgate. I mean, I just think it's freaking sick. So anyway, it's just a quick little intro. We got not a lot of time before SEMA, so we're getting to work, getting cranking. And yeah, if you guys get a chance, check it out. All right, back to welding. Got him. Look at that. Boom. Boom chaka-flaka. Yeah, you can. Sweet. A little fixture. Well, Saul, what do you have to say?
I'm really excited to go to sleep.
Yeah.
It's been like 4 days.
What? It's
If you guys don't subscribe to Hutch, you should. If I was more awake, I'd be more excited. I am very excited. I just
we're very excited but very tired.
Very hard to show excitement.
The transporter is outside.
I've been waiting for over an hour.
He's been waiting for us to wrap this up.
You killed it. I'm very happy with it. We both are excited to hear it run one day.
Yeah, definitely excited to hear it run. I think it's going to sound very, very cool. I'm going on a diet because I had a lot of pie. Yeah, I mean, my inspiration behind it was that since it's kind of exotic, like it's carbon fiber, so I wanted to kind of have that like exotic supercar X-type focal point. So that was kind of the idea behind all that.
I'm excited to hear it. I've never seen an X-Pipe after the one.
Me too.
It's gonna sound like a full-blown race car.
Talk about these wheels.
What do you want to know?
I don't know.
12.
What are they? I've never seen these before in my life.
I can't read it from late. What does it say in the fender cap? Solo's Manufacturing. So those are my wheels that I've had in my head for a long time. These are 20 by 12 with an extreme concave. They are off of the original hubcaps that came on this. And if you want a set, hit me up.
Where's the hubcap? You have one? I feel like
I had one over there somewhere.
like the. You can compare. There's your OE hubcap, and there's a 2024 version of it. Some more prototype goodies he's got going on.
I don't know too much other than it's from Ford Performance. It's a 5.2 liter with a 3.8 liter Whipple, but it's a Ford crate motor. So if you want one of these, Hutch will sell one to you and then build you stuff.
Nah, belts are for pants.
First 8 times.
Dude, that came out sick. This piece actually, Cody did all out of sheet metal. Damn, this hood. This hood is sick. We're going over the truck a little bit. Saw the badass taillights, saw the wheels, full-tie exhaust, carbon drive shafts. Some more goodies that Saul is going to be coming out with. Saul's Manufacturing got a billet bezel here with that will be able to accommodate Resto Mod or just accommodate AC bezels. It's got some OE billet pedal pad covers. It's got his center radio and radio bezel, and then that's really cool over there, like a matching, you know, when you do a AC system in your glove box, basically goes away, can't really use it anymore. Oh, and the best part about this truck, manual transmission. Manuel.
Mostly because Hutch wouldn't stop giving me shit that I didn't have.
That's right.
I mean, I
finally
had
has
OG one.
Finally has it. Yeah, we don't want the OG. We want
The first time that we hung
Tremec.
out, I didn't realize that that's what you had in it.
Yeah.
I remember walking up to it and I was like, "Oh shoot, Taylor's got a stick," and you're like, "Yup."
Cash me outside.
It's a cheat code. If you build something that you don't want your wife to drive, make it Manuel.
Unless your wife knows how to drive Manuel, and then you're
So
screwed.
yours?
Yeah.
Jane knows?
Yo, yeah.
Oh, my wife does not.
Yeah.
Did you guys know that Hutch is engaged? Did you guys know that?
Did you know that?
Hutch is engaged.
I'm engaged. I've had the video. The video's up on the internet. Go find it. It's on my channel. Anyway, I was talking to him about this
Dash bezel.
that dash bezel,
Isn't
the
that
the
dope?
matchy
You
one.
need that for your truck,
Let's go.
doesn't it?
You know, it just so happens that I have this same year truck in a crew
Isn't that
cab.
so cool.
How convenient.
Perfect.
How much convenience. So I can have all of this
Yeah, you know what's cool is
for one low price.
you haven't even invoiced me yet. I'll take that shit
$1
off the
million.
invoice. We'll cross things out.
Nah.
We'll call it even.
Nah, we're not gonna do that.
You sure?
Yeah.
Oh, he did get engaged, so I gotta pay for a wedding.
Yep. Oh shit, carbon panels, door panels too?
Yes, sir.
Carbon everything. So cool. All right, that about wraps it up. It's time to go. It's been a long journey, but I hope you guys enjoyed. We'll see more of this soon. We'll see you next time. Good night.